You're not broken in love. You're just one healed belief away from the relationship you truly deserve. Use these affirmations with me to release hidden blocks and finally let real love in. I now release every belief that tells me I am hard to love or unworthy of deep, healthy connection. I am safe to open my heart again. Love that honors me is allowed to come close. I lovingly release the past and free my heart to experience love in a new, healthier way. I am more than enough exactly as I am, and I deserve a love that sees, respects, and cherishes me. I create clear, loving boundaries that protect my heart and attract only healthy, respectful relationships. I now attract emotionally available, loving partners who meet me with mutual respect, effort, and honesty. I am safe to be seen, heard, and loved exactly as I am. Real connection grows from my honest heart. I release jealousy, comparison, and rushing. I trust the timing of my love story and choose peace in my heart. I am healing my attachment wounds. It is safe now for me to feel loved, secure, and chosen in my relationships. I welcome relationships where my love, effort, and care are naturally matched, mirrored, and appreciated. I invite calm, understanding, and gentle communication into my relationships. Peace is my new normal in love. I now release all blocks to love and fully open my heart to healthy, aligned, and lasting relationships. Take a deep breath and notice how much softer your heart feels. These shifts are already clearing old blocks and making space for the love that truly aligns with you. Save this video. Return to it whenever you need to realign, and trust that the right relationships are already on their way to meet your open heart.